Really, Marlon? What are you doing?
Your pictures are real as fuck. Like, that's how my shit be looking on mine. Where the fuck is it? I'm trying to find the zoom button. It's somewhere. What you doing? Why you messing with the video, dog?
You come on my camera. You get your hand all over the camera and all.
I'm messing with my video, man.
Whatever.
You looking for the nigga who killed his wife?
Ooh.
Dang. I forgot. What? This bitch fire. Cut that off. You don't want to see no features moving down in front. Hey, down in front. Look. Look. Come over here, look at it. Hey, down in front.
That shit, man. Hell no.
Hey, down in front. Get your ass out the fucking way.
You is a mess. Look at that.
Hey, you, step out. Alright, look. Hey, you, step out. Damn, got caught.
Really?
Yeah, that's how you believe. Like, you walking this way, cut light on. Hey, huh?
What?
Look at you looking at it, dog.
I see this thing.
Look, that nigga like that, he say. Keep walking, get all the way down to there. Hey, huh? Come on, alright. Walk. That's it, funny as fuck.
Who is wrong with you, man?
What the